Go ahead and do a circle in the corner.
Sorry?
Just go ahead and do a circle, a big circle.
A big one? Okay.
Yeah. At the walk, and then do a big circle in the core toe. Remember to pick his head up off the blue rein. More off the basel than a bit. Just raise that inside hand and then get him going in the core toe. Pick his head up first. That looks pretty good.
Whoops. I was gonna go straight.
Did I tell you to go straight? Not really. All right, that looks good. That's a good gait. All right, let's see a halt. Good. Right. Okay. Good, good. Go ahead and let him walk, and then you can put him back in gait. Just make sure he does it when you tell him to, not when he feels like it.
Does he have a higher step than Angelica?
Yes, he does.